I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz and Swartz. So we've all heard by now of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's really affected all aspects of our lives, from smartwatches to cars to computers. But what is it? It's really a set of algorithms that enable us to do everything from make restaurant reservations to playing our favorite songs when we're at home. So unfortunately, with this advanced technology comes dangers. And when there have been failures of AI or artificial intelligence, there also have been, in some instances, injuries, sometimes catastrophic injuries or even death. So what are some of the potential claims that can arise? Well, for example, there was a self-driving Uber vehicle that, because of poor programming, failed to stop in time for a pedestrian and caused a death. Now, that was an example of a clear failure in the programming and implementation of AI. And unfortunately, as we see AI more and more in society, we're going to see most likely more examples of those kinds of failures that can lead to injury. So when failures occur, who are the responsible parties? Well, those can include the software engineers or programmers themselves. They can include component part manufacturers, for example, for vehicles or for computers that result in these injuries. So who are the responsible parties potentially when there are failures associated with AI? They may include the software engineers or manufacturers themselves, perhaps the component manufacturers for the individual parts that help drive the AI in any of the products we use. Also, users, for example, of the vehicles, drivers, folks who operate machinery, even in the context of surgeries, doctors who use robots that fail. Those physicians also may be responsible for serious injuries or deaths that occur during surgery. Now, as the AI case law develops, there are also defenses that are developing as well. For example, the other side may say that these are services and not really products, and so there shouldn't be suits allowed for defective products. Also, another defense that has been developing is that the manufacturers and component manufacturers shouldn't be responsible for decisions that are being made essentially by this artificial intelligence. In other words, they're not responsible for the failures that occur after the product leaves their hands and certain decisions are being made by the machines. So if you have questions about artificial intelligence and injuries that may result, contact Swartz and Swartz. We can help.